Hey everyone, it's Kevin here with Views on Anything, and today we have my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Just received it in the mail, still in the brown cardboard box here. So we're gonna box it together so you guys can see what everything comes in. Paperwork out of the way, and here's the way it's packed. So it looks packed very well. So we have our cardboard box, we have a cardboard paper kind of mesh here, also some paper. So Samsung used a lot of packing material here, which is nice. Never really seen this very much before, this type of cardboard paper that they're using. It's nice, it's more eco-friendly, as I can assume it's easier to recycle and everything. So here is the device in its box. So the front, side here, the back, and the other side. You guys have already probably seen some unboxings of this phone, but this is the special blue edition you can only get on Samsung's website. So I thought I'd unbox it for you guys because of that. Here we go. So first you're greeted with a piece of cardboard with Samsung on it and QR code. And then you have the phone itself here with protectors on it. And then underneath the phone, we don't have much this year. We don't get a charger. We don't get headphones either. So inside the little pouch, cardboard pouch here, we have our SIM eject tool. We have our quick start, Samsung Care, terms and condition, and your USB-C to USB-C cable here. So not much in the box this year. Not anything like when I got my Note 20. The Note 20 came with some AKG USB-C headphones. It came with a charger. It came with, the USB-C cable as well, and a pre-installed screen protector. I'm not sure if this does or not. We'll find out. So here's the front of the phone. You can see the curve is less dramatic on this, which I really like. One thing that's annoying about the Note that I have is the curve is very aggressive on the side, so I think this is going to be much better. And then here on the back, we can see this blue color. Beautiful matte finish, polish for the Samsung. Real deep dark blue, very pretty. Got a protector over the cameras. The cameras have a textured carbon fiber look on them, which is really neat. This flows very well together. Very happy with this new design from Samsung, where they bring the edge of the chassis, I guess you would call it, or frame, to the camera module like this. See if it has any power in it. There we go. So I just wanted to do this as a quick unboxing video so you could see this special blue color. I will come back with a initial impressions and also compare it to my Note 10 Plus, and I also have the Xperia Mark II, so the Xperia 1 Mark II. I also have the Essential phone and an iPhone 11, so I'll be able to kind of compare it to a couple different phones for you guys. But that's it. If you guys have any questions If you, you know, any comments, put them down below. Like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.